Welcome to this tutorial. Gridbox gives you complete freedom to design your product pages, create modern layouts, showcase your products the way you want, and deliver a shopping experience that matches your brand. Before we start customizing the product layout, it's important to understand how it works. In this tutorial, we'll explore the default product layout and the plugins it includes.
To open the Product Layout Editor, go to the Store Content app. Click the Settings icon, then select Single Post Layout from the drop-down menu. As you can see, the product layout is edited using the standard Gridbox page builder. The page follows the familiar Gridbox structure, consisting of sections, rows, columns, and plugins. This gives you access to the full set of Gridbox design tools, allowing you to create any layout, position elements exactly where you need them, and fully customize the appearance of your product pages. In addition to the standard Gridbox plugins, you can also use Content App plugins, e-commerce plugins, and field plugins to display dynamic product information. Before we start exploring the product layout, there are two important concepts you should understand. First, the product layout is a template. Any changes you make here are automatically applied to every product within the Store Content app. Second, the product layout contains plugins that display dynamic product data. For example, the default layout includes the Product Gallery plugin, which displays product images, and Field plugin that displays product details. Be careful when removing these plugins. Dynamic product plugins are directly connected to your product data. Deleting one of these plugins permanently removes the data stored in it for all products. This action cannot be undone. For this reason, the product layout should be one of the first things you configure when building your online store. A well-designed product layout provides a solid foundation for every product you'll create. Let's take a quick look at the default layout and the plugins it includes. The Product Gallery plugin is a dynamic plugin that displays the images uploaded from the product submission page. In the plugin settings, you'll find the standard options available for all dynamic plugins. Admin Label and Admin Description define the label and description displayed on the product submission page. The Source option lets you choose whether images can be uploaded from the Media Manager or directly from the user's desktop. The Required option determines whether uploading product images is mandatory when creating or editing a product. In addition, the Product Gallery provides several layout settings. You can configure the number of columns, choose the gallery layout, adjust the gallery thumbnail's height, and control the spacing between images to match the design of your product page. Next is the Post Intro plugin. It's a standard Gridbox plugin available across all Gridbox content apps. It displays the page title, featured image, and additional information such as the author, publication date, category, comments, views, and reviews. The plugin is highly customizable. You can choose exactly which elements are displayed, rearrange their order, and use the extensive layout and design settings to match the look and feel of your website. Next is the Add to Cart plugin. This is one of the core plugins in Gridbox eCommerce. It allows customers to add products to the shopping cart and continue to the checkout process. The Add to Cart plugin also displays the product options and extra options that we created in the previous lessons. In the plugin settings, you can choose whether to display the product availability, SKU, quantity selector, Add to Cart button, and Add to Wish List button. The design settings provide full control over the appearance of the basic product information, price, and Add to Cart button, allowing you to match the plugin to your store's design. Next, we have an accordion with two sections, Product Details and Shipping and Returns. Inside the Product Details section, you'll find a custom field plugin. This dynamic plugin displays the information entered into the product details field on the product submission page. The shipping and returns section contains a standard text plugin with static content. Unlike dynamic plugins, this content is the same for every product, making it a great place to display information such as shipping policies, return conditions, or any other details that apply to all products. Next is the Related Posts plugin. Related Posts plugin includes a wide range of settings that let you control the number of displayed items, layout, spacing, and which elements are shown, such as the image, title, intro text, button, product information, and custom fields. In addition, the plugin provides an extensive collection of design settings, giving you full control over every aspect of its appearance. One setting we'd like to highlight is Related By. As you can see, it's set to Manual. With this option enabled, the product submission page allows you to manually select which products should appear as related products. This is especially useful for creating upselling and cross-selling opportunities, allowing you to recommend complementary or premium products for each item individually. The last plugin on the page is Related Posts Slider. This plugin works similarly to the Related Posts plugin, but displays products in a carousel. It offers the same extensive set of options, allowing you to control which product elements are displayed, as well as a comprehensive collection of layout and design settings. As you can see, the Related By is set to Categories, which means the plugin automatically displays products from the same category as the current product. This is a great way to recommend similar products without having to select them manually for each product. As you've seen, the default product layout already includes all the essential plugins needed to build a fully functional online store. Each plugin has its own purpose and offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to create product pages that match your store's design and your customers' needs. Understanding how these plugins work is the first step toward building effective product pages. In the next tutorial, we'll customize the product layout, redesign the default page, and learn how to create a unique shopping experience with the Gridbox Page Builder. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.